Hello and welcome to the eMedNY computer-based training series for New York State Medicaid providers. This video is part of our ePACES series of tutorials. The purpose of this session is to familiarize providers with how to replace a claim using ePACES. The key objectives for this session include general information about replacing claims, information that cannot be replaced, finding the TCN via ePACES, finding the TCN on a remittance statement, important reminders, and reference and contact information. First, we will review some general information about replacing a claim. Only previously paid claims can be replaced, adjusted. A replacement is submitted on the most recently paid claim. A claim status of paid $0.00 can also be replaced. ePACES may be used to replace claims that were submitted using other methods, such as vendor software or paper claim. There are two options for replacing a claim in ePACES. These options will be discussed later. There are some fields on a claim that cannot be replaced or adjusted. The fields are the billing provider ID, group provider ID, member ID, also known as the client ID, and claim type. For example, you cannot change a claim type from institutional to professional. However, there is an exception to this rule. If the original claim was a Medicare crossover, the claim type can be replaced. Prior to searching for a TCN, if there are multiple providers in this ePACES account, be sure to change to the correct provider. Before submitting a replacement claim, the 16-digit transaction control number, or TCN, of the previously paid claim is required. The TCN is also known as Payer Claim Control Number in ePACES. Status inquiry, under the Claims section, can be used to find the TCN. Enter the client ID and press Go. The name, address, date of birth and gender for the client will display. Enter the date of service of the claim. A from date is required. If the claim has only one date of service, enter it in the from date field. If the claim has a date range, the from and to date fields are needed. You may also enter an estimated date range. If you know the dollar amount, this field may also be used to help narrow the number of responses. Click Submit. A note on top will display Claim Status Inquiry Submitted. Next, click on Status Responses. In the Claim Status Activity Work list, click on the name of the patient. The top line displays the most recent status inquiry response, if more than one status inquiry was done. The Claim Status Response Details page will display up to 10 claims that match the search criteria used for the inquiry. The list of claims will contain paid, pending, denied, and rejected claims. Choose the most recently paid claim for the date of service. This may also be a claim with a paid amount of $0. Write down or copy the payer claim control number you wish to replace. The TCN is also found on paper or PDF remittances, as seen in this sample remittance. Do not include the hyphens in the TCN. Once the TCN is found, a replacement claim can be created. There are two replacement options. For the first option, select Find Claims under the Claims section. By using this option, a claim that was previously created in ePACES can be changed to create the replacement claim. The following steps about to be shown are for a professional real-time claim. The same steps can be used to replace a dental or an institutional claim. The search may be narrowed down using the Find Claims by function using one of the following: Patient Control Number, Entry Status, Client ID, Client Last Name, Type of Claim, Begin Date. This example shows the client ID was used. Enter the client ID and then press Go. A list of ePACES claims that match the search criteria will be displayed. Note: only claims with a sent status may be replaced. Click on the patient control number of the claim you want to replace. It will open the claim. Click Replace Claim on the bottom of the screen. A message will display on top of the screen asking, "Do you wish to replace this claim?" Select Yes. Once done, the claim fields will open, allowing you to edit. Also, as shown here, a new field will appear where the TCN of the previously paid claim must be entered. Enter the 16-digit TCN in the Payer Claim Control Number field. Review the remaining tabs and correct the field or fields that need to be changed to pay properly. After completing the replacement claim, submit for processing. For replacement option 2, you will submit a new claim and not modify a claim that was previously made in ePACES, which was shown in option 1. This option is useful for claims that cannot be found in ePACES. Select New Claim. A new claim entry screen is displayed. The submission reason needs to be changed to Replace. To do so, click on the drop-down arrow. Choose Replace. This will open a new field called Payer Claim Control Number. Enter the 16-digit TCN of the previously paid claim. After completing the General Claim Information tab, fill out the remaining claim fields on the additional tabs the way they should be completed, changing any information that needs to be changed. It's important to note that the replacement claim must contain all claim lines originally submitted on the previously paid claim, unless you intend to void one or more of the claim lines. Any omitted claim lines that were included on the original claim will be voided. After completing the replacement, submit for processing. For additional information regarding ePACES, please visit the emedney.org website. Refer to the ePACES Voiding and Replacing Claims reference sheets, along with ePACES Claim Quick Reference Guides. For further assistance, please contact the eMedney call center at 800-3439,000. This concludes our ePACES How to Replace a Claim tutorial. Thank you for joining, and please visit us at www.emedney.org for additional training resources.